This is a traffic light. There are three colors: red, yellow, green. Red light says stop, stop, stop. Yellow light says wait, wait, wait. Green light says go, go, go.
Body parts that cannot be seen from outside are called internal organs.
My project is types of nouns. A noun is the name of a person, place, animal, or a thing.
This project name is proximity based urban. This project has an IR sensor which detects a person when somebody comes near it.
This is my project, measure up. This is long pencil and this is a long stick. आज मैं मेघालय के बारे में बताने जा रहा हूँ. मेघालय एक स्थान है जहाँ बहुत सारे जगह है देखने के लिए. मेघालय का राजधानी है शिमला. Today I am going to say about number part, numbers and ascending order and descending order, addition, subtraction.
IndiGlobal Campus Trails.